So we're going to be able to look at triangles and see if they're congruent. There are like 4 triangle congruence theorems that we can use, or properties. They're side, 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 and that's if all 3 sides are congruent. So you need basically 3 things in each triangle congruent: side, angle, side, angle, side, angle, and angle, angle, side. So when you see the little tick marks like here and here, that's saying that these 2 sides are congruent. And when you see the arcs, that means the angles are congruent. There's only 2 things congruent in each of these, so we would put not necessarily, because you need to have 3. Now this one's all 3 sides, so this falls under the side, side, side. And then you have to name it in the right order. So if this says GHI, notice this is what you want to look for. We're going up the side that has 2 tick marks on it, and then down the side that has 3. So we find the one that we can do the same movement on. So here's K, we go up the side with 2 and then down the side with 3. And we want to name it in that order, K, J, L. And then by the, and we would click the side, side, side property. On this one, we have 2 angles and then a side next to it. So that's this one, angle, angle, side. And we have to name it in the right order. So M, N, O. So we look at M. We start on the one that's not, the angle that's not marked. And we go down the side that's congruent to get N, and then down the other side, which is O. So we have to find the one that's not marked, Q. Then we go down the side that is congruent. So Q, P, R. And this would be by the angle, angle, side theorem. So let's do some examples. I have 3 here for you that we can work on. So these are right angles, right triangles. So we have an angle, a side, because this is the same exact line, and another angle. So that is one that we can do. Angle, side, angle. And we go M, N, O. So we're going M across the bottom and straight up to the O. So we're going to do P across the bottom, N, O. Here we're going to write P, N, O. Let's see if they're capital. Nope, I'm going to hit cap shift, P, N, O. Okay, then we look at the second one. Notice that we have 2 angles that are marked and the side is in between them. On this one, we have 2 angles, but the side is next to it, so they're not necessarily congruent. And this one is angle, side, angle, angle, side, angle. So yes, this one is congruent by angle, side, angle. And we have to name it correctly. So U, V, W. So we're at the angle that has 2 markings on it. We go to the one with 0 markings to the one with 1 marking. So we're going to do that here. So Z has 2 markings to Y, which has 0 markings to X. So Z, Y, X by the angle, side, angle. Okay, we'll do another problem. And you guys might see some of these in your problems too, and that's okay. So this one is 2 sides with an angle in between. So that's side, angle, side, which is one that we can use. Side, angle, side. You might want to write these down. Go back to the beginning of the video and write down, or you can go back to the explanation page. Make sure you just have them written down. So they're doing A, B, C. So they started at the angle that was marked. They went down the side with 2 tick marks and then down the side with 0 tick marks. So we're going to start at D, go down the side with 2, so E, F. So it's D, E, F. So order matters on this. So notice these are 2 sides with the angle between them, and these are 2 sides with the angle next to it. So that's not necessarily congruent. These are all 3 sides are the same, so side, side, side. So they are congruent. G, H, I. So we start at G, we go down the 2 and then up the 3. So we have to go up the 2, down the 3. Okay, so it's going to be J, K, L. And we'll do, oh, which one did I do wrong? Okay, let's see. Figure A, your answer is incorrect. angle. Oh, it's side angle side. Side, where is it at? Side angle side. Side angle side. And we did A, did I name it right? A, B, C, D, F, yeah. Okay. So there we go. All right, get to do another one. Okay, so this is only two things, so it's definitely not, because you need to have the three. This is side, side, side. So we have GHI. So we go G is the angle that's between the 1 and 2. So G up the 2, down the 3. So we're going to do K up the 2, J down the 3. K, J, L. Then the last one, okay, you have to remember this side is the same. So whenever they're together like this, you have to realize they're congruent because they're the exact same side. So again, this one is side, side, side. And they went A, B, C. So A across the bottom up to C. This is going to be D, B, C. It's not necessarily going because it goes across the bottom, but because the bottoms are congruent. We're going across the 2 and then up the shared side. So we're going to go across the 2 and up the shared side. And let's just throw in one more example, then maybe you'll get to see all of them in yours. Okay, this is side, angle, side, side, angle, side. So yes, side, angle, side. There we go. M, N, O. So we're doing the side that has 1. We start on the angle that's not marked to the angle that is marked. Nope. Up the side that's not congruent and then down the 2 sides. So we have to start. Okay, wait. So see that one is between M and O. We started M and went up the side. So this is between, so we're going to do P, Q, R. Okay, so angle, angle, side, angle, angle, side. Uh-oh, wait a minute. Angle, angle, no, angle, angle, side, angle, angle, side. Yeah, we can do angle, angle, side. U, V, W. So they're doing one arc to 2 arc to side not congruent. Okay, so 1 arc, 2 arc, side not congruent. So X, Y, Z. And then this one is, oh, this has 2 sides angled in between, but this angle's not in between, so it's not congruent. All right, let's be done with this video. You guys, good luck with getting this one passed off. Thanks for watching.